Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Auckland. Please remain seated until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign and the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the terminal. Do take care when opening the overhead lockers as items move about during flight. And take a moment to check your seat pocket for anything that you may have left behind. This afternoon we'll be using the forward left-hand door to disembark. Smoking is not permitted until you are outside of the terminal building in a designated smoking area. If you're planning on hiring a rental car and budget, offer special car rental rates to Jetstar customers. Simply mention you're a Jetstar customer inside the terminal building to receive your discounted car rental rate. In addition, Qantas frequent flyer members can earn frequent flyer points. On behalf of your captains, Ruben, Graham, Tony McDonald, and all of your Auckland-based crew, Jaylene, Catherine, Daria, and myself, Catherine, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Jetstar today, and we do hope that you've had a pleasant flight. Thank you, and have a good afternoon.